Hey, welcome everyone. I am Govindasamy Srinivasan from govindasamy.srinivasan.com. Welcome to my Continuum review. Continuum is a training plus software which shows you how to make money with high ticket products. This uses a webinar software and auto webinar software similar to Evergreen Webinar but is not going to cost you $450 per year. Now let me show you the blueprint. This is the overall blueprint of the system, which consists of creating your opt-in page, your thank you page, through which you collect your leads to your autoresponder and you can send your offers through emails. Now this thank you page is redirected to the webinar page. Through this you can make up to $750 commissions if your lead purchases. You will be sending traffic through YouTube ads once this funnel is set up. Inside Continuum, you will be shown how to create these individual elements step by step and connect the dots. Now, Continuum comes loaded with done for you and done with you high ticket commission solutions, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced marketers. Users can hit the ground running with 3 pre-made webinars promoting 3 top converting offers that pay up to $750 per sale, included is step-by-step traffic training delivered by Jono on the same methods he is using right now to fuel a $200K per month business. On top of all of this, the front end includes a powerful auto webinar software developed by an industry expert with all the bells and whistles without the monthly fees. This allows customers to scale at their own pace to virtually unlimited income using any combination of offers and custom webinars. If you want to purchase Continuum, then this is going alive at 9 a.m. EST on 29th of September. You can click the link below this video and come to this bonus page where you can click one of these orange buttons and go to the sales page and purchase your Continuum here. After purchasing Continuum, you can go to your Warrior Plus account and access your receipt, which will look something like this, where you can go and access all your bonuses through this blue button. Now let me talk to you about the bonuses I am going to offer. I have got hold of some exclusive bonuses to offer you when you purchase Continuum through my link. Now, bonus number 1. This is access to Stealth Advanced Training. You will get access to Stealth plus Stealth Advanced Training. This is going to show you how to use Gmail ads, which will help you in driving more traffic to your auto webinar, which you will be setting up inside of Continuum. This is the advanced training, which was costing $47 as an upsell during launch of Stealth last year. Bonus number 2, you will get access to Gemini because you are going to need to integrate your auto webinar with an autoresponder, and many of you may not be having autoresponder. Gemini is an autoresponder. It is yours completely free. It's more than an autoresponder. It comes with tools, buttons, video images, countdown timers, which you can place inside of your emails to maximize your conversions. Bonus number 3, you are going to get access to some branding hacks which Jono is teaching and is really going to help you with your follow-up emails with Continuum. Bonus number 4, you are going to get access to Eclipse, which is further training on getting traffic in general. It is going to show you a unique method to swipe the traffic away from the gurus and feed into your Continuum funnel and make commissions from that. Bonus number 5, you will get access to all the bonuses from the vendor, and they are going to be available on the sales page for you to check out. If you want access to all of these bonuses, then you want to click on this bonus page down below this video and click on any of the orange buttons. Once you have completed your purchase, you can go to your Warrior Plus receipt and click the blue button to access all of the bonuses and vendor bonus, even if you have picked only the front end, which costs you only $17. Now let's have a look at the sales page. We are on the sales page of Continuum. Plug in this 99% done for you system that is making us $1,400 per day from automated software done for you offers and push button traffic. You can go through the sales video, which is an awesome video, and you can go through all this in details, the sales page, which what all you will get inside Continuum. And here's a demo video which you can watch here, which shows you in 6 minutes the complete walkthrough of the software and the training area. You can watch it here, or you can watch it on my bonus page. You can go through step by step, and I'm not going to take you through all the elements. You can check it out at your own time. Now let's go to the members area. We are in the members area where you will get access to once you log into the system. Now you have got an introduction video, and then here you have the Continuum walkthrough, and you also get access to the software here. Now here it is explained how to set up your all the elements which I explained in the blueprint document. So here you have to get your affiliate links, which is you are taken through how to apply for your affiliate links and get the affiliate links from Warrior Plus, how to set up your webinar, and introduction to AdWords and essential pixels which you will be using for driving traffic to your funnel. Now there are two pages you need to create, the thank you page and the landing page. These two pages you are going to make using GrooveFunnels, which is completely free to use. If you do not have GrooveFunnels already, you can sign up. You just need to copy this code and paste it into GrooveFunnels, and your thank you page and landing page are created. And this training shows you step by step how to create your landing page and thank you page. Now then it shows you how to check your funnel, it is working. Once your funnel is completed, then you have the traffic training, which shows you how to do the placement and keywords, how to run your ads. After you have set up your campaigns and running, there is some exclusive training where it is shown how to do the scale up. Now you can access all your bonuses which was shown in your sales page here, and these are some upgrade information. Now I just want to show you some of the bonuses you are going to get. You are going to get Jono's YouTube ads course when you pick up this Continuum, and you can get your code for getting $90 free ad spend on Google AdWords. Okay, and also you can drive traffic through Bing ads, which is way cheaper than YouTube, but the traffic is much less. It's an awesome platform to drive traffic from. So there is a complete course how to use Bing ads, and then you can access your upgrades from here, which I will be showing you a little later. Okay, now let's get into the software. So once you have set up your funnel, so this is where you are going to set up your webinar, auto webinar. This is a replacement of the auto webinars like Evergreen, but you don't have to, you have to pay only $17 to access this platform, which comes along with your front-end product. Now these are 5 steps you have to go through, and you just type a event title and type a description. You can upload your photo, you can upload your own video, or you can video from 3 inbuilt webinars here. There are 3 webinars. One is the John Crestani's course, this is a Wi-Fi Profits course, and Jono Armstrong's Minister of Freedom, which I am a member of. So you can just add this. Now you can add your affiliate links here, which was shown in the walkthrough software, how to get your affiliate links. And here you can set up when all your webinar is going to show. If you don't want to choose any particular time, you can choose recurring, so it will show at all these times. So this is a webinar. You can select whether watch now or send notification. I usually prefer to watch immediately. So then these are some event settings where you can enable incognition registration, where the subscriber doesn't have to enter his name and email address while registering for the webinar. Now once you have set up the essentials, then the custom layout, okay, you can integrate your autoresponder from here. Okay, some email templates you can use, and you can use custom logo for your emails and upload your logo here. And you can if you have a list of participants you already have, you can import the CSV file and directly send the invite without your customers having to enter their details. You can have there's an provision for chatting during the webinar. You can have a full chat or private chat, or you can have no chat. Okay, and then you got reminder emails. You can send emails during the webinar or after the webinar. You can edit these templates where you have got short codes which you can use to personalize your emails. Okay, then after you have set up your emails, then you have got some extras where you can have a URL redirection. During the webinar, you can choose at what point of time you can redirect them to your your sales page, your direct, where they can buy the purchase the high ticket product. So this is the complete software, which is a very, very powerful software which Jono is using in his business to drive tons of traffic to his Minister of Freedom high ticket product. You can get access to all these and all the bonuses for just purchasing the front end product for $17 here. Now let me take you through to the upsells. Now you get access to the powerful Continuum software and all the training modules and all my bonuses only for $17. The upsell one is a Continuum Pro edition, which you can get for $47, or there's a downsell for $37. So here what this Pro has is, you can add unlimited attendees. You can have a full Zapier integration. Okay, it also gives you access to Jono's ultimate traffic tactics plus premium webinar software features. Where you would have to pay upward of $400 monthly for when you get it elsewhere. Now the done for you upsell 2 is Continuum done for you, where you have 5 auto webinars included. Your front end comes with 3 auto webinars included as templates, whereas in your done for you upsell 2 you get 5 more pre-made webinars which you can promote and make money. It is perfect if you prefer not to do any work yourselves, and you will make serious profits from this. Now upsell 3 is Ultimate Affiliate Bundle, which consists of all front-end products of Jono's 2020 products like Lockdown Formula, Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript, Commission Bot, Vanquish, etc. Plus you also get the front-end access to all his future releases, which is an awesome bonus. Upsell 4 is a multi-license rights to 4 top-selling products, including Continuum, and you get reseller and developer rights to Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript, Commission, Bot, Vanquish. These are the 4 products you get reseller license. Okay, so now here are the key benefits which you will be interested. You get real automated traffic on demand. real high ticket commissions for 100% done for you hours, real done for you sales automation, and real built-in scaling. All this is covered by no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. I encourage you to check out all the bonuses, and this brings us to an end of this video. Thank you for watching my review. See you until the next. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you.